Hello guys, LPM here is today with a 4-pin tumbler preffer lock and a 6-pin tumbler dimple lock with security pins. Hopefully we'll be able to get them both picked. I'm not going to gut these locks, they're the only ones I have, so let's get in with it. Okay, 1, so I'm on 3, 4, okay, I think we're nearly there. And yep, the dimple lock's a lot harder, so we're going to have to use different ammunition on this. It's got 6 pins, all of them are spools, you can tell by the flop of the core. Yeah, so let's put some tension in and get it picked. Okay, straight to the back. 6, 5, okay, so I'm got 1. Ooh. Well, there we are, 2 preffer locks picked. I'm not going to gut them, like I said, they're the only ones I have.